Hey y'all, and welcome back to my channel. On today's video, I am installing a custom unit that I made for her, this beauty right here. When I mean custom, she supplied the bundles and a frontal. I made the wig, I colored it, and installed it. I think I did a pretty good job for it all being my first time doing it for someone else. Y'all let me know in the comments below. I just want to do a little disclaimer. Of course, I am not a beautician. This is done clearly in my kitchen, and I want to apologize in advance because you might see a lot going on in the background. Y'all just focus on this frontal I'm about to do though. So as y'all see, I've already put some gel on her edges and molded them back, and I put the stocking cap on. At first, I didn't like this stocking cap color, but in the end it worked out, because if you think about it, you put on the stocking cap and normally you put makeup on, but like I said, it worked out great underneath the wig. I'm doing one layer of the Got To Be spray and one layer of the gel. Y'all will see that in a minute. And since this is in my house, you'll see that I had Daquana blow dry that because I didn't want to stand there and blow dry it. But she was a trooper. She blow dried it. So that was the first layer. That's the Got To Be spray. So after blow drying both layers, as you see, I'm going in removing the stocking cap. So I'm trying to be careful. Like I did unfortunately end up giving her a little nip on for her forehead, and I am so sorry for it, but I tried my best. Like I said, it's different doing it on someone's head than doing it on your own. And I really was trying to be careful, but it really couldn't be prevented, I guess. I don't know. I wasn't as careful, I guess, as I should have been, but she's not mad at me for it. And this is the unit, y'all. Look at that color. For this being my first time bleaching anything, it came out so pretty. Like, that's all I can say is I'm really proud of myself. I would like to thank the Academy for that. But yeah, that color came out good. So I'm basically now just fitting it to her head. I'm about to clean up the excess Got To Be that's on there on her skin, so I can have a clean canvas to put basically a layer of gel and a layer of the spray on her skin and on the edge of the stocking cap, so that lace can lay the way it's supposed to. So that's just furthering me fitting that unit to her head. It felt a little snug at first, but in the end it was a perfect fit. I did a good job, y'all. This is just me here cutting out the ear tabs. And y'all, I know I look a little messy, but I'm in my house, one. Two, you can see, I have put on a few pounds. I don't want to blame it on quarantine because I worked through quarantine the whole thing. But yeah, your girl has been happy and eating, and it shows. But we're not focused on that. We're focused on this great install that I did. So let's just focus on that. We'll talk about my weight in another video. So after I got those ear tabs cut, now I'm going in with my layer of gel. And as I said previously, I'm putting it on the cap and I'm putting it on her skin so we can get a nice melt. Of course, that's the goal with every install that you do, whether on yourself or somebody else, is to have a nice melt so it looks like your hair. And that's just me blow drying the layer of Got To Be gel before I go in with the hairspray and do a layer of that. And as promised, here's the layer of the Got to Be Free spray that I'm putting on top of the gel so we can get a good melt. Daquana was nice enough to blow dry that part for me because I was tired. I wasn't tired, I just hate blow drying. It takes too long. And I am the most impatient person you will probably ever meet. So here I am just pulling the frontal down and getting it in place to put it on top of the glue and the freeze spray. And I'm just using the teeth of my comb to further push that lace into the gel and the spray so it can be nice and set on there. Y'all did wigs before. I'm sure most of y'all have or seen it done, so you know what I'm doing. But yeah, I'm going ahead and I'm pressing that in around her hairline and by her ears. So of course I got this idea from watching videos. Once you lay your lace down, to wrap an elastic band around it and secure it in the back, of course, so it can further melt that lace down. So here I'm just blowing out the hair. I actually used two bundles of one bundle of 24-inch hair, one bundle of 22-inch hair, and that's an 18-inch frontal. Yeah, I don't know why she's making that face. I think the dryer was hot, but yeah, I'm just blow drying her hair out. She said she wanted a center part, so while that lace is further setting, I'm just gonna go ahead and do the part. And I used a wax stick that I actually got with a Love Me wig. I used that to lay it down flat. And I took a part of the frontal, of course, covered the back tracks, so it'll just all be seamless and beautiful when I'm done. So here I am. Guys, I'm sorry about the kids in the background. Of course they're going to stand right there. But here I am, removing the elastic band and just checking out my work, making sure that the lace is all set before I move on to further melting it and removing the lace. I think, yeah, we were just checking. I don't know what we were checking. But here I am now about to cut the lace off. So at first I was using a tinkle razor to remove the lace, but that didn't work as well as I wanted to, so I just went in with scissors and removed it, and it worked out better for me. After I removed the lace, I got a cotton round with alcohol just to clean up the excess gel and freeze spray that was on her skin. That's what you see me doing here. And she was telling me that that section lifted, but it's fine because I went in, which I plan to anyway, one more time with the freeze spray, and that like solidified everything. Y'all will see. And this is where I'm just sectioning off the front of her hairline to go in with the freeze spray to melt that lace a little bit more. After I applied the freeze spray, I just wrapped that section with a satin edge wrap thing. It's not coming to me right now, but y'all know what it is. I just tied that down. And I think I went right into, no, I waited. This is me taking it off now. And see, it looks fine. So I'm gonna let y'all watch this part that I'm doing. I don't think it needs explanation. So here I'm just cutting out some baby hairs. This is gonna go really quick. I didn't do a lot of baby hairs. Y'all know I'm not great with them. I think these are the best ones I've ever done. Like, yeah. I'm just going to put some baby hairs in her hair, and then I'm going to wrap that up and jump right into styling her hair. So what I did was I curled the hair and put pins in it because she wanted it curly, and I just wanted the curls to set so they wouldn't fall so quick. But believe it or not, I did this on Thursday. So Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, which was yesterday, those curls were still in there. So this hair held up good with curls. So I'm just removing the wrap paper, and I'm going to go in and fix her baby hairs further to make them look more real. Of course, there's always one side that wants to give you trouble. But I think I did good on my baby hairs this time, y'all. Way better than before. So I'm just combing them out, and like I said previously, fixing them to the best of my ability. And then I'm just going to take the curls out and finger comb them, and we are pretty much done with this look. So still trying to fix that baby hair as much as possible. But you see how the curls came out, y'all? Yeah. This thing gave me so much trouble. Just thinking about it stresses me out. But I ended up fixing it to the best of my ability. She liked it. And look at the curls. I hope y'all liked my video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Please, in the comment section, tell me your thoughts on what I could have done better. Like, I'm critiquing myself. I see areas I could have fixed it. But this was the final look, y'all. And again, I want to thank you for watching my videos, and I will see you next time.